Hello friends, I'm Pooja and welcome to Cook Smart. Today we are going to make Puran. In Maharashtra, Puran Poli is made on occasion of Holi, Nag Panchami, Dasera and Diwali. Lots of effort is needed to make Puran. Why not if it is made in simple way? Let's see how to make Puran in simple way. To begin with, take 4 cups of lukewarm water. To it, add 1 cup of soaked chana dal and soak for about 7 to 8 hours. Or else you can soak it overnight too. By this process, dal will be quickly soaked. 7 hours later, you can see dal is well soaked. Now drain this water. Rinse it once with water. Here you can see dal is well soaked. For cooking dal, take 3-liter pressure cooker. Do not take 2-liter pressure cooker, otherwise dal will be flow out of cooker. Now transfer the soaked chana dal into the cooker and add 3 cups of water in it. You can decide quantity of water depending on how much curd you need. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric powder gives nice color to Puran. Now add 1 tablespoon of oil and close the lid. Switch on the gas and cook on medium heat until 7 to 8 vessels. Once 7 vessels are done, turn off the flame. Let the pressure cooker depressurize by itself. As you can see, steam has released. Now open the lid and drain water with strainer. Place strainer. Strain water that you can see in dal. Don't throw this water as this is curd. In next episode, we will see the recipe of katachi amti. Now mash dal with masher. If you don't have masher, use mortar to mash dal, or you can grind it in mixer grinder. We need hardly 2 minutes with masher. Dal has mashed properly. Now add a cup of jaggery in it. Yellow jaggery is less sweet in taste, so I will add extra 1/4 cup to adjust sweetness in Puran. If you are taking brown jaggery, 1 cup of jaggery is enough for 1 cup of dal. Let's melt jaggery. For that, switch on the flame and melt jaggery on medium heat. It will need hardly 5 to 7 minutes. Stir it frequently so the dal will not stick to the bottom. 7 minutes later, Puran has become little thinner. Don't be afraid. As jaggery is melted, Puran has become runny. As you can see, this method is quick and simple. No need to look after it. Now add half teaspoon of cardamom powder and half teaspoon of nutmeg powder. Adding cardamom and nutmeg powder will give nice fragrance to Puran. Don't add nutmeg powder in more quantity or else you will feel sleepy. Now Puran will start becoming thick. 5 minutes later, Puran thickens up really well. Now turn off the flame and transfer Puran to a plate. Puran is ready. You can't find whole dal in Puran, so no need to strain this. In this proportion, you can make 5 to 7 Puran Polis. I hope you like my today's recipe. If you're new to channel, subscribe it for more such recipes. Till then, make Puran and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below.